Hey guys, Purple Kitty HA here, and today I'm doing something a little different. So, today I'm going to be on Pixelmon, of course you can see that, and my team. So today I will be catching every Pokemon I see, and I have all these PCs, because once I catch a Pokemon, and if I see a Pokemon, and I don't remember if I caught it or not, I can just go into the PCs. So as you can see, I'm already catching the Pokemon. Alright, come. So I'm staying in creative for this. Specifically for the reason of I don't want to run out of Pokeballs and then have to go right back into creative. So I'm going to be adventuring a little bit. I'm thinking about just catching a Pokemon I see. But then that would also be a bad idea because then I'd run out of PC space. I gotta catch this Zubat though. Zubat. Okay. Shit. Okay. So I found a town that I should set as my spawn point. Actually, I'm gonna set this town as my spawn point. Specifically so I can put PCs in here and like come back to this town whenever I really need to. I'll show you my team later. But for now, we gotta find these Pokemon, man. So I can just, if I do game rule, keep inventory true. This is Velvet. I don't have that Pokemon either way. Oh, the Hoothoot. I should probably go on to the ground. When I found my first Rowlet, without it being my starter, I found it in these woods. There was a light in my eye and it was really bugging me. Look, Rowlet right there. There's another Hoothoot. That's a Hoothoot. Okay. I'm just going, and whatever I see, I catch. So obviously, it's going to take me a while to catch everything. I don't know how I'm missing stuff right there. Hold on. Something just popped on my screen. Okay. A Nuzleaf. Drifloon. So in the Pokédex, it probably says I've seen every Pokemon, even though I actually haven't, but it's fine. Let's see what Pokemon I do have. Almost a box full, actually. Oh, this Pokemon's holding something. I'll get off of that later. I do have a Glameow. That's what I was wishing. I already know I have Drifloon. I haven't been to a mountain yet, so I should be able to find new Pokemon. Look, I already have this, but I'm gonna catch it because it's not in my team. Yeah, so these are just random Pokemon I put in my team. Chuckle. I hate carving, but I'm gonna catch it for the point of this video. Okay. I'm just gonna hide this for now. I haven't caught that yet. That's going in the Pokeball. There will be certain times where I guess I forgot what I was saying. Oh, never mind. I know now. There will be certain times where I'm just gonna look over at the other side of my screen. Not the other side. There will. Oh my god! I don't know what I'm saying right now. Let me try that again. There will be times I'm going to stop to look at what I have in my PC. I tried to escape one of these earlier. Why are you back? I'll go in those once I'm ready. I'm not ready to go in one yet, because as you see, I flew right past it. And let's see, is that another mushroom? That is Amoongus. Do I have Amoongus? I have Fungus. No, I have Amoongus. Okay. It is very tempting to go in that. But I'm still trying to catch all the Pokemon in this world, and I do not want to be trapped in a wormhole forever. I'm gonna have to go down more for this. Hit you. I don't know what that is. They already have those Pokemon, don't they? Okay. I will obviously be making a part 2 of this. No, I probably should have went in that wormhole to make it more entertaining. But, I'm sure I'll find another one eventually. Where I'm going for, I find out in a couple of hours. Oh my god, it's a new Pokemon. Finally. Oh. Okay. That thing right here is very good because it's full of ghost Pokemon. Because it's the ghost tower. Or it should be full of ghost Pokemon. Doesn't mean it will be. This is really rolling freely. Stop moving! Okay, here we go. Oh, perfect. A lamp. Just what I wanted. I can get this one. And I got a Murkrow, if I'm correct. Yes, I almost filled up the first box. I actually haven't sent any of these Pokemon out that are in my party, so don't worry, I haven't even seen the shinies. The only one that's not an actual shiny is Charizard, because it's a special Charizard that I got. salt. Oh my god, yes. Okay, so we got Corfish, Magikarp, Barbo, there's a Lillipad, another Magikarp, Goldeen! Oh, I skipped over a whole bunch of Pokemon, didn't I? Yep. I don't have that. I don't have that, actually. There's a Surfskin, it's haunting me, so I must get it. You're holding something too. I'm just gonna keep the PCs that I put down actually down, so then I know if I've come to that spot or not. I don't even think I have a Pidgey, surprisingly. Where are you going? Come back! That Pidgey didn't escape me. Yep. No, I don't have you, I think. I'll check to see if I have you on the mount. No, I'm gonna check to see if I have you right now, actually. Do I have a ladybug? I do not. Okay. Good. This is where I should be able to find all the fighting Pokemon now. I'm gonna get some new running shoes. I had to check how long I've been recording for, because it felt like I've been recording for 5 hours. So, I'm not doing any of this off camera. Off recording. I mean, it's mainly because I want you to enjoy the experience with me. Also, it takes a very long time to find these Pokemon. It may seem like it doesn't take forever. It does. It really does. Although, I might do this off camera. I might. It's a very small chance, though. Oh, I haven't captured this yet. The next thing I need to do is I need to go into a cave. Do I have a Starly? And the answer is nope. I have Starly, yeah. And now I don't know where the Starly went. I'm just gonna move that down one. I do not have a cast form. Okay. Yeah, actually, I decided I am gonna do some of this off camera. Because I don't think you want to see me catch every single Pokemon on camera. It's well, anyways, I think I'm gonna end it here. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Bye.